Good day, everybody. Good day. So, as I said in the previous video, we're just going to talk about programming tools needed to get yourself started as a programmer. Now, what are programming tools? Simply put, programming tools are tools needed to get yourself started as a programmer. That's all. So programming tools help you to build softwares. Now, having known what programming tools are, let's jump straight into looking at some of the tools you're just going to need to get yourself started as a programmer. So, the basic tools needed for programming, simply put. Now, there are so many tools, but for a beginner, you don't really need much. You just need your laptop. You need your internet connection. Of course, you have to make sure that you have internet connection, because when it comes to programming, there are lots of research that you're going to do. All right? And you're not going to do that research anywhere else, but rather online. Which is why it's very important and very imperative that you get internet access and free. You need to get yourself a text editor. Of course, what is a text editor? A text editor is a platform where you code. That's a platform where you write codes, edit codes, and delete them. So you can write, edit, and delete codes. So text editors are used for writing codes, deleting codes, and editing codes. So you're going to need your text editor in addition to the previous two we've already discussed. All right. Now these text editors are there are many, right? And you can choose amongst the many. You can decide to choose among the many. Now, these four are just a few editors that I've typed. So you can choose to go online and download Atom. You can choose to download Visual Studio, which is, of course, my favorite. You can also choose to download Notepad++, and Sublime Text. So you can choose to download Atom, Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, and Sublime Text. Let me reiterate again. To get yourself started programming, you need these programming tools. Now, what are programming tools? Simply put, programming tools are tools that help you to code. All right? Now, let's have a look at these tools that help you guys, or that help one to be able to program. You need your laptop, you need your internet connection, you need your text editor. Now, there's so many text editors around, but of course, these four are what I recommend for a beginner. You can either go online and download Atom, Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or Sublime Text. Now, this brings us to the first tutorial for this course. Now, in the next tutorial, we're going to talk about HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Now, this tutorial targets absolute beginners. And so if you're not a beginner, you can still choose to watch this tutorial. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next tutorial.